lot is bad at Ghana. You see, and let me address the youth at Ghana. A bread will say you avoid being political fanatics. So the Akoma, Wadrin, Wakra, BBBA, NDC, MPP, party, no, the oil in your cry, your wutum, my brother, massa. One moon penny for your titi and this any people, or be a bedroom with your cool. Because I always say, hey, you be a tiano. You need one party I day I have voted for NDC before. I have voted for MPP before. I don't have a political party. I sit down, listen to your policies, mitiene papa, na matwamon. That is what we should be doing. Now, Kroma your way, NDC, MPP, NDC, and I can tell you, these two parties hate me more Ghana. Let me tell you why. Said Nepa, said the MPP. I bet NDC for. Said you see Eddie book Nenkrate Diska Okroma. NDC ba at least as one so. Otenekano dini de kakra. And you can't fault them because Akoma do much. Now not what Babechra will say. Uba, there are people who don't give them any post. They are the unofficial prime ministers ewo memu wetimi frame minister our officially ya to abam awe ya appointing a wasu oath no a kire say deal we yen say ama ba kroma wadi yi ninua ekofa excavator so kwa akwete odo na river Ibrahim Mahama wotimu keke and wo fa Ghana mfidie so akwete odo na yehu de ade ye na okroma dina temwa yehu bi da na chese yenim se wo mampani bi de enka wunua de ani kwan se enso Ibrahim Mahama no abode bra nso dada yehu bi da se Mahama a president bi nua ekoto odo na river de Ghana for ye nyina ye de ye no kroma. The man was just doing it for free ene se mo nyina mo ti kroma mo hu de nanado one na ban ye on the omun kote ayimo omu create river no ankasa. They are creating a new river. This is it. Enti wo memu na odwen say NDC MPP massa sa abrante nana bedi ako new force fuyi enra hwede national security in the Rambo style our independence squad. You see stop you omo Belgium ni ge ya we do omachi kakrakrai your time no e born do boy akwakotona twene ni krum. They are just afraid and scared. Get me that man, the new face behind the mask now. Muhono. This is Nana Bediaku. Oni. This is him. Oni. This is the new force in town. I present Kakofu Minane Alano Bakwa Kabum.